Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Power to Edu.
So today in this lecture we will be discussing to calculate the square of any two-digit number, square of 2 and 3-digit number, which is from 1 to 1000. In seconds you will be able to calculate the square of any two-digit or three-digit number. Okay, so I have two tricks. So starting with the very first trick, and let's suppose we have a two-digit number which is 24. Now we have to calculate the square of this 24. Okay, so the trick is you need to multiply these three terms: 2 into 4 into 2, 2 into 4 into 2, which is 4 to the 8 to the 16. Okay, very easy. Now you have to write the square of each number separately. Okay, 2 square 4, 4 square 16. Okay, and you need to take this number, you need to add this number into this, leaving only one digit behind. Okay, which is 0416 plus 16 will give you the square of this number. Okay, this is example 1, and now the second example. Okay, I will give you example so that this trick will get passed in your mind. Okay, no other number, let's take other number 96. So square of this number. Okay, remember we need to multiply this 9 into 6 into 2 will give you 108. Okay, now we need to write the square of each number. Okay, which is 9 square 81, 6 square 36, and we need to add this number into this, leaving this one digit behind. Okay, which is 108. So 6129 is the square of this number. Okay, now we have second trick to calculate the square of two-digit number. Okay, which is, let's suppose we have 87. So now we need to calculate this square of this. We need to find the next zero number. Okay, for example, if you plus 3 you will get 90. Okay, you need to find such a number so that this will become close to the tens. Okay, which is 90. Okay, so you need to plus 3 and subtract minus 3. Okay, the number which will give you the closest tens of the digit. Okay, tens of the number. So plus 3 and minus 3. Now you need to multiply this addition to this number and subtraction to this number. Okay, 87 plus 3 will give you 90, and 87 minus 3 will give you 84. Okay, simple. Now you need to divide it with 10, because the number of 0 here we need to divide it with 10. Okay, suppose if there are 2 0, then we have to divide it with 2 0. This is the trick. Okay, and plus you need to take the square of this number which is added and subtracted, which is 09. Okay, if it is 0, then you need to take only this number. Okay, leaving this behind. Okay, and this will be carried forward. Carried forward. Okay, so 0 84 into 9 is, which is 756, and 0 will be taken forward, so 0 it is as it is, and 9 we will place it like this only. So this is the square of this number. Now we have other example. For example, we have number 65. Now you need to calculate the square of 65. So the closest tens is plus 5 and minus 5 will give you 70. Okay, you need to plus and minus so that the number reaches the closest tens, hundreds, like that. Okay, you need to plus 5 and minus 5, multiply the both, the added number and subtracted number, which is 70 into 60. Okay, you need to divide it with the 10, okay, which is here, and you need to take the square of this at your subtracted number, which is 25. So if you have taken 10, then this 5 will be remained as it is, and 2 will be carried forward. Okay, so 0 0, this is 4 to 0 and 25. 2 will be carried forward, so 4 2 2 and 5 is the answer. Okay, hope you understand it. Let's move on to the next trick. So now I am giving you a universal trick to calculate the square of any number between 1 to 1000. Okay, so starting with the very first example, we have, let's calculate the square of 214. Okay, 214 square. Okay, after this you will be able to solve this square in seconds only. Okay, let's do it quickly. You need to plus 14 and minus 14, okay, to make it closest to the hundreds. Okay, so 200 into 228, so 14 is subtracted and 14 is added, which is this only. Okay, and 14 square is 196. Okay, if you have taken 20, then you need to divide it with 20. Okay, and the 2 digit will be taken from this and 1 will be carried forward. 1 will be carried forward. Okay, 2020, 228 into 2, you will get 456. Okay, and 196, so 1 will be carried forward. You have 45796. You can check it in your calculator, you will see the same answer. So this is trick to solve the square of 2 digit or 3 digit number. Okay, so let's move on to the next example, so you will better understand this concept. So we have 387. Okay, so this is closest to 400, so we will add 13 and subtract 13. Okay, which will make the number 400. Okay, 400 will be added and 400 will point, and 13 will be added to this number, 13 will be subtracted, so you will get 400 into 374. Okay, if you have 20, then you need to divide it with 20. Okay, which is 100, and the 13 square is 169 will be taken. So you have taken 20, so 20 will be there and 1 will be carried forward. Okay, 2020, 374 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 7s are 28, 9, 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 and 2 14. Okay, and this 169, so 149, 1 will be added to this, which is carried forward, so 769. So you can check in the calculator, you will see the same answer. Okay, so you have other example as 747. So this is going to be the last example of this lecture. You have to calculate the square of this number. Okay, so 747 square. Now you'll say we have to like this will be subtracted, or this is neither close to 700 and nor close to 800. So you will say we will add plus 3 and minus 3. Let's take that. Okay, so we will plus 3 and minus 3, which will make the number 750. Okay, so same like that, 750 into 744, that is divided by, so you have taken 10 here, so 10 will be divided, and 3 square, which is 9. Okay, so we will take 1 digit. If you see, if you want to take this as well, okay, so we'll divide it with 20. Okay, so this will be carried forward, which is 0, so it will not make any impact, and 09 will be added in the end. Okay, so now 10 is divided with this 75 by 10, which is 7.5, and 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2 into 744. Okay, so this we have to solve this, and we have to add this 09 in the end. Okay, so we will multiply this with 2 and divide it with 2. So 30 by 4 into 744. which will give you 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32, and 4 6 are 24, and 186 into 9 will give you 5580, and we will add this 09 here. You can see in the check in the calculator, you will see the same answer. Okay, I hope you like the video, so do like, subscribe and share, and so that other will also understand that the PDF of this notes will be available in the description. Thank you guys, thank you so much.